We're gonna have a photo session later. Okay, but for this time, let's continue the fun. Do you want to see more? Yes or no? I can hear you. I said, do you want more? Okay, let's do more magic. Okay, but this time, again, sabi ko nga, meron akong papakilala sa inyo. But before sila lumabas, I wanted to say hi. Everybody say hi. Hi. Sorry. That's not my friend. Everybody say hello. Hello. Okay. 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 Are you ready? Yes. Huh? Someone is talking inside. I'll let you go. I'll let you go. What do you have to do? Clap your hands, everyone, and meet my best friend. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. This is my very special friend, and he will introduce himself when the music stops. Hey, there's no more music. Stop banging your head. Hey, can you please help me say stop? Stop! Very good. Stop! Where are we? Where are we? We're here at Jollibee. This is not Jollibee. We're here at Manila Zoo. This is not Manila Zoo. We're here. Maraming nature, oh. You check that out. Yung dami, no? We're here at Luneta. This is not Luneta. We're here at Santa Elena Nature Park for Sun Life Family Day. You're also the one that turned last year. Last year. Tell them your name for those of you who don't know your name muna. Pakilala ka sa kanila. What is your name? My name? Yes. I forgot my name. Sige. Let me help you. Hold your head and remember who you are. Concentrate and remember your name, okay?
May ano yan.
Concentrate. Concentrate. Alam ko na. My name is Concentrate. My name is not Concentrate. You say.
Picture muna, upo na. Ella, upo na dyan. Dito, no? Tawid ka dun. Pababa.
Your name is not very good. My name is very bad. Not very